So I'll have my drawing, and I will do the trace bitmap. Okay. So there's that. Delete the old one. I'll have the new one. And file, save as. We'll just call this Ohio Home. This is the third or fourth try or something, so I'll just call it that. Save it. That's where it went. Checking right now. Okay. So then try loading it here. New points. There we go. I'll just drag it off to the side for now. Open up SheetCam. File. Import drawing. The new one that I just did, Ohio Home 3. So I'll get these out. You know, I have one circle, but I get these weird lines everywhere. So then when I actually click on a new job, it wants to do all these weird starting points. I'm not sure why, but it does that on almost everything that I do. So like even these are other drawings that I've tried where like it's got lines going through everything again. Some things are okay to cut out, some things aren't. And all these things are things that I've drawn and followed what they did in those videos, but I'm not sure. Here was another one of those attempts. I just get weird lines everywhere. So what I started doing was copying the finished image after I did all the editing, and then would copy that into a new Inkscape, and then paste it, and then trace that one so that there wouldn't be any layers or anything. It would just be one smooth image. But I keep running into the same problems where it's just over and over again I get the same thing. And I'm not quite sure what to do or what I'm doing wrong, or it's just so many possibilities that I could be messing up on. I'm not quite sure exactly. Like there, the letters came out okay, but for some reason the leaf's not picking up, and again it has all those weird little webbing lines. And I went through and tried to delete a lot of the points and just smooth everything out, and I'm still running into these same problems. I'm not sure. So if you got any ideas, or if you've heard of anybody having the same problems, just wondering if you can point me in the right direction. Thanks.